Hello, this is Melanie over here on Inspired Life with Melanie. I'm just going to do a really quick what's in my bag on my Pom Pom London Mayfair Mini. So I purchased this bag a couple weeks ago. I did a video that was an unboxing and review of the bag. And so I've had a few questions, people asking, you know, what will fit inside, what size phone, that kind of a thing. Great questions. They're definitely questions that I was considering when I was thinking about whether or not to get the bag. So anyway, we're going to take a look and I'll show you what's in my bag. Okay, so this is the Pom Pom London Mayfair Mini, like I mentioned. It is smaller in size. It's very compact, which is, I just like to carry compact purses. This is also Pom Pom London. It is their city, not the city mini, but the city. And you can kind of see the size comparison between the two. This is going to be for my aunt for her birthday, so hopefully she's not watching this video. But I just wanted to give a good reference so you could see the size of the bag. It is very compact, like I mentioned. So I generally, people I think probably would like to carry, you know, their phone in the front pocket. You can. It is a tight fit. Let's get it zipped here. But what I typically do is I carry my phone in my main compartment right here. And then in the front pocket, what I like to carry is I use a Ridge wallet. It is very small and compact. I love this thing. It's super simple. Like if you just wanted to pull this out and run in somewhere and not have to take a full wallet. So I typically put that in this front pocket so that it's accessible. And that's where I also put my keys. And then like I said, I've got my phone back here, and because I use such a small wallet, I will stick a little bit of extra cash in the back. And then I don't typically carry a lot of makeup. It's just not, I never have. But I'll carry this this pouch that is waterproof that keeps, you know, the interior of the bag protected in case something happens. And I just put my lip glosses and chapsticks and things like that, and then I will carry that in this purse as well. Now, this is bulkier, so if you didn't have that in there, you would have more room. I also think that if you wanted to put like a small hand lotion or hand sanitizer, you would have plenty of room for that. And then just one other thing, I know that this wallet is smaller, so if I was carrying a larger wallet, I might kind of rearrange some things. I might just put my lip glosses in this front pocket here with my keys, and I still have my phone in there, and I could use, you know, this size wallet and still have plenty of room. So I think there's a lot of options. If this is something you're interested in, I can just tell you I love it. The quality is so nice. It's so cute. I get so many compliments on this bag, and I love that you can change out the straps very easily. Hope you enjoyed. Hope this helps you with your decision.